Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to type underline text on Facebook. First, what you need to do, go on your Google account or Google searching box, then type underline text generator. After that, choose the second selection, then scroll down, and as you can see now you have 5 options on that how you wanna look your underline future. First, you need to input your text, for example, hello there. Now you can choose, for example, I will choose the second one. I'm going on copy, then go back to Facebook, make sure that you're going on your quote and go paste, go post. Wait a minute, and now as you can see we have done it. Now you know how to type underline text on Facebook. Thank you so much guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, share the video, and see you soon.